Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about one topic that is apoptosis or PCD, that is programmed cell death. So what is this actually? Here cells are allowed to programmed cell death. When this happens, if any unwanted cells are present, it is like cells undergo their own damage in active metabolic conditions also. So if any unwanted are there, so metabolic activities are also good, then also it will undergo its own damage. And it is a phagocytic method. All of us know what is phagocytic method, right? Engulfment. Yes, engulfment of the cells will takes place. So their cells DNA also breaks down, that is fragmentation it will undergo, and later it will undergo condensation process, undergo fragmentation also condensation, not only DNA, other cell organelles, cell membrane. For this process there requires larger amount of the energy, chemical energy. What is our chemical energy? ATP, right? So what is the use of this apoptosis or programmed cell death in organisms, right? So in embryo, this apoptosis helps in finger formation, that is digit formation. And in adults, it helps in preventing the cancers. We all know that cancers are also unwanted growth of the or division of the cells, and to repair any damaged cells, if any damaged cells are there, the repair process also takes place by this apoptosis or programmed cell death method. So I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.